The Life of the Buddha, Part 11. The Buddha's supporters. Who helped the Buddha to make his mission a success? Kings and millionaires helped him. Who were his royal patrons? King Bimbisara, King Kosala, King Ajasattu. Who was his chief male supporter? Dayaka. Anathapindika, the millionaire. He offered the Buddha the monastery Jetavanarama. Ruins of Jetavanarama Monastery. Who was his chief female supporter? Dayaka. Visakha, a very generous lady. She offered the temple Pubbaram. The Buddha spent most of his time in Jetavanarama and Pubbarama at Savatthi. Their ruins could still be seen at Sahit Mahit. Ruins of Gandhakuti of the Buddha. The ruins of these monasteries could still be seen at Sahit Mahit, Sravasti, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh.